College boni vibro ke jemput nam ta ki khobor light kam hekai te ki don spotli ki post ki balaj po ka RMSA ka bade po jowai te ki don jong ka assistant teacher ki don santli bad jong ki assistant lecturer ki don santli te baro ki long spotli te nam ta ki assistant teacher te ka don ka assistant teacher in English lightly ki post balaj but assistant teacher in mathematics artli ki post ki balaj te pidi bandep ya ka graduate bad ka biat kita artli dan kamban dep ban yo ban apply gini te ka date phya ban submit kelas date kan dei ar punyo tarik bene balai arjar apply phya ban lei submit apok office yo kan district school education officer and district project coordinator RMSA West Jaintia Hill district Jowai phya ban submit hang nemo offline gini kan mau ban sra document ban lei submit gini te nam ta ki assistant lecturer pade kini dan santli Tegidan jong assistant lecturer in accountancy kaway, assistant lecturer in business studies, assistant lecturer in mathematics part-time, assistant lecturer in entrepreneurship part-time, assistant lecturer in computer application part-time. Te baro kini pidem dan kabiat isamos bat ka master degree hak tu subject ba pidei kapos bakalan. Pidan mendan ya ka master degree. Te kaneru kelas date kandai arp nyutrik benebalai arjar fly. Pihak late submit di dokumen jong pi hak office jong district school education officer and district project coordinator RMSA West Jaintia Hill district Jowai.